Hello everyone, welcome to the programming in C class. As we have discussed in a previous class, many of the operators, C operators we have discussed. By using that operators, you can formulate the expression. Then the expression evaluation. How should we evaluate the expression? That we are discussing in this video. The arithmetic expression is a combination of variables and constants and operands arranged as per the syntax of the language. Any expression in the sense which is a combination of arithmetic like operators, this set of operators and operands. For example, this is one expression, a into b minus c, which equivalent to c we are having into sign will be written as a like star symbol b minus c, m plus n into x plus y. But you can write it in a normally like this. It will be understood in between here the multiplication is there. But in a computer, that in C programming equivalent to that, you must write a star. Okay. So then next we are having AB divided by C. So which will be written like a normally, but divide symbol cannot be used in this one. We use forward slash, so that A into B minus C. AB is understood here, it's a multiplication between both, but you have to write this in a C equivalent A into B, then only it will be understand, computer will understand, then it has to perform a multiplication. 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is an expression, but as equivalent to C, x square we can written as x into x, right? And then similarly 3 into x plus 2 into x plus 1, right? So 2x 3x you cannot write it normally, x divided by y, whereas x by y can be written as x forward slash y plus c. Okay, so these are the equivalent normal expressions which we use in real life, the same expression in a C language which we are representing in this way. So that's why we have to understand number of simple expression in the example discussed. So for C can also handle any complex mathematical expressions. These are some of the simple expressions we are having. So it also expresses the many of the complex. Some of the examples of C expression are shown in the table. And remember that C does not have an operator exponential. Okay, so that exponents you should write it as a into. So this is how the expression, mathematical expression, can be written. Can anybody tell me that how could we write like a one expression and write it like a by b, right, into c minus a, b and c. How you can write it equivalent to C language? Yes, A forward slash B you have to write, and then into C, right? You have to write minus A into means you have to use a star symbol, A into B into C. It should be in a star symbol. So this is how you can write a equivalent C expression. You may get it for 2 marks. Convert the given mathematical expression to C equivalent expressions like this. And evaluation of expression is very important. So evaluations, expression evaluation is using assignment statement of the form. For example, variable equal to expression. Variables is any valid C variable. When statement is encountered, the expression is evaluated first and result then replaces to the previous value of the variable on the left hand side. All the variables are used in the expression must be assigned a values before the evaluation is attempted. For example, evaluation like a into b minus c, a divided by a divided by c into a minus b divided by a plus b. These are the expressions we are having. Then it is assigning like the values to the first it evaluates and then value will be assigned to the x. This is how it is assigned. The blank space around an operator is optional and adds only to improve the readability. When these statements are used in a program, the variable ABCD must define before they are used in the expression. Okay, so program ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ what is the advantage of operator precedence. So to evaluate an expression, it is essential that you have to understand, as is shown in this example. We are having like a a into b minus c. Then whether should I first perform a into b or should I perform b minus c? So what I should perform first? Similarly here also, which one I have to perform first? Similarly here also, whether should we perform like this and then result, or else we should perform this and then result. Like that, which one has to perform first? So as similarly, mathematical expression says that you have to use the Bodamas rules. Similarly, C is also having some set of rules, that is a operator precedence. So here are the list of operators and their respective precedence. Let us see the postfix. Okay, so operators like a bracket, both the brackets, and then assignment, and then this is postfix. Okay, postfix value like a post increment, and post decrement. These are having a left associated, left to right. Then we have unary and prefix operations. These all are unary, right? So then we are having prefix type. So then size of operator enough. So then which has to first perform? They are having right to left, they are having two as a associated. The precedence is nothing but priority. On what priority base it has to execute that. Then multiplication, multiplicative, division and mod we are using, additive and shifts we are having next, and then relational operators, then equality, and then we are having bitwise operators, then XOR, okay, and bitwise XOR and not, okay, logical OR. But the conditional, the conditional operator has a right to left, and your unary operators has right to left. Conditional operator left, right to left. Assignment is also right to left, but comma operator performs the left to right. Why do we have a precedence in a C? C ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಶೋ ಯು ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, 1 into 5 minus 3. Okay, so then you may get two results for it. How? First, if you perform these two, 5 minus 3 is a 2, then into 1, right? So then what you will get the value? The result is of 2, one solution. Another one, you can perform first these two and then perform with this. Okay, that is 1 into 5 is a 5 minus 3, so you will get it as a result 2. In this case, both the results are same, so you would not get any problem. Suppose if I have this as a 4, okay, then what will be the result? 5 minus 3 is a 2, 2 into 4 is equal to 4 to the 8, right? So then your result is what? First result is 8. Second is what? 4 5 are 20, then 20 minus 3. Then second result is what? 17. So second result is what? One is 8, another one is 17. Then which one is right? Whether 8 is right or 17 is right? Which one is right? Yes. In this case, you have to move towards the operator precedence. Then what operator precedence says that there is no postfix or brackets, there is no unary operator, so there is a Next we have a multiplicative operator, then that has to be performed first. Okay, and then we have a minus additive operator, so then that has to perform afterwards. Then 17 is the right result, 17 is the correct result. So like this, to perform an operation we are using. So I'll tell you one more example in this case. Okay, so if both the operators are different, so then you had seen a for example, you were having like 2 into, right, 2 into 3 minus 4. Okay, so here both operators are different, so according to precedence it works. Okay, 2 into 3 first, it has to return result like 2 3 is 6 minus 4 is equal to result is 2. Okay, fine. If operators are of having same precedence, for example 2 into, okay, 2 into 3 divided by 4, then how do you evaluate if this is the case? Then now ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ evaluate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Which one you are evaluating first? You go for the priority, then priority nalli all these symbols, both the symbols are having same precedence, ಎರಡು symbolsಗೆ same precedence ಇದೆ, or else you can use it as one more mod. So then all the things are having same precedence. Let it be, I'll use one more also. Okay, so I'll use it too. If this is the condition, then multiplication, division and mod, all three are having same precedence, then which have to execute first. The question arises like this. If this is the case, then you move to the associative, that is left to right. Then trace the expression from left to right, that is 2 into 3 first, 2 3 is 6, and then divide by 4 mod 2. Okay, still it is having same precedence, so first is 6 divided by 4. Okay, it is of integer type, so it will be like 4 1 is 4 and 0.5, 1.5 you are going to be getting, but I am taking an integer value. Imagine that whole integers it takes, then whole number only 1 mod 2. So your result will be 1 mod 2, remainder will be 1 only. So then this is what the result. If same expressions are there with the priority, both the expressions are in the same priority, then you have to test with the associative. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಎರಡು ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಅವಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟಿವ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇದರ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ right to left is a unary, and then conditional operators, assignment operators, conditional assignment and unary operator. ಇವು ಮೂರು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಮೂರು ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಇದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಹಿಯರ್ 2 into 3 minus 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಾಗ, according to the priority we were explaining the first, we were evaluating first multiplication. But suppose if I have like this same expression, same operations we are having, but only thing the difference is it is having bracket, then what happens is first you have to evaluate expression like that is which is there in the bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 minus 4 is what? minus 1 into 2. So that is what you are getting the result as a minus 2, whereas you got the result earlier is a 2. Okay. So this is how the expression evaluation helps to understand that the which expression. So okay, fine. If you are using a small expression like this, okay. But if you are having a bigger expressions, then you have to test it out with the associativity and their priority to get the answer. How what result we may get, ಯಾವ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ so you have to perform in that way. Okay, thank you. Hope you understood about what is the operators and what are the operator precedences. Thank you.